Hi my dear students, today I am here to discuss with you some tips regarding the English section of the RIMC June 24 exam. Okay, so as you all know, the writing section consists mainly of essay writing. It consists of an essay which is based on idioms, then you have a letter writing, then you can have a picture composition, and then you can have a poem writing. Okay, so my suggestion to you all is, if you have a letter writing, so go for it first, because a letter is a set format. You know the pattern, you just have to do it according to the question. Okay, then if you have a straightforward essay, go for that essay. If it's a straightforward topic, attempt that topic. Then comes your essay which are based on idioms. So if you have to choose between an essay which is based on idioms and a picture writing, I would say that you go for the essay which is based on idiom, because again you have to explain the idiom and you have to write a story about it. And then you go for the picture writing composition, wherein you will be given a picture. As you all know, you will be asked either to write a story based on the picture or describe the picture. So the choice is yours. Okay, again, if you have to describe the picture, you will have to look into the picture very keenly and describe all the points. And of course, if you have to base a story on it, then it is like any other essay. You have to have an introduction, the body and the conclusion. You have to name the characters. Also, if you have a poem writing, that should be attempted at the last, because as you all know, the poem can take a while, because you have to think about the title, and also you have to give the title of the poem. And similarly, if you have a précis writing, which is a summary, again you will have to give the title to the summary and you will have to write the summary in your own words. So just remember these tips and I'm sure you'll do very well. All the best.